Okay, thank you. So now in today class we have to discuss with that already in last class we have to completed the Caesar cipher technique. Now in today class we have to discuss with that once we have to revise the Playfair cipher technique. In the Playfair cipher technique, whenever you want to convert the plain text, this is a meet me at the schoolhouse. This is the original plain text. This plain text you want to convert it into cipher text using the key. I want to use the key that is the Monarchy. Monarchy is the key. So you can use your name also. So whatever you have to converting the plain text to ciphertext, you can use your own keys. So now that key must be arranged into the 5 by 5 matrix. Why you are arranged into the 5 by 5 matrix means alphabet is 26 letters. In out of 26, you have to consider as a 25 letters only except J. So in alphabet you have the 26. Out of 26 except J, remaining for 25 letters you have to consider as a 5 by 5 matrix. First, what is the key you are using? That key is placed into the like this way. That is the Monarchy is the key. MONARCHY. This is the Monarchy is the key. So first the key is arranged into the 5 by 5 matrix. So now, how to arrange the key into that 5 by 5 matrix? So first one, I want to arrange the key into the 5 by 5 matrix. First, you can write after writing the key. Then next position, you have to place, check the A letter. So already A letter is there in key. So skip that one. Now what is the next letter? B. So B is placed here. Then check C. C is already that letter in the key. Now skip the key. Next one, what is the next letter? D. So D is placed here. Then E, then F, G, H. Already H is the letter H is the letter have in that key. So skip that H. G, H, I. I is placed here. Then you have to skip the J. So after I, J is skipped. K. K is placed here. L, P, Q, R. So R is already you have in the here you have. So you can skip that R. R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Y is already in the key. That letter is in the key. So you have to skip that one. Z. So like this way, 5 by 5 matrix, we have to create it. So after generating the 5 by 5 matrix using the key, so now you have to consider the plain text. So which plain text we have to communicate? That plain text first we have to divide into 2-letter words. 2-letter words. So ME is the one letter, one word. ET is the another word, and ET is the another word. ME is the another word. AT is the another word. Like this way, we have to arrange the letters to 2 words. So in a word, in a 2-letter word, you are getting the same letters. For example, here you have to see SCH, that is the CH letter. After CH letter, you are getting the 2 letters are same letters. That is the OO. So in that case, same letters whenever you have to get, that time you have to take it as a default letter X. So OX, default letter X. Similar way, only one letter you have, like after school, HOUSE. So only you have the only one letter in last one letter word. So that case also default letter you have to take in as a X. So in these 2 cases you have to take in as a X. Repeating the word or repeating letter occurred in 2-letter word. That time you have to take it as the X. And the second case, only one letter is there in that plain text. In that case, you have to consider taken as a X. So this is first the plain text we have to divide into 2-letter words. So after splitting the 2-letter words, now we have to consider how to convert this plain text into ciphertext. First, we have to consider the ME. So ME, first we have to check it out. Here is the that 2 letters are in a column or row or rectangle form. Based on that, that appropriate text will be assigned. For example, here this is the M, and what is the second letter? E. So these two are the letters are in the column. So whenever you have to getting the 2 letters are in the column, that case next letters or column or row, next letter will be considered as a ciphertext. So in the place of M, I want to replace with the C. In the place of E, I want to replace with the letter L. So now the ciphertext is CL. Clear? Then second word is ET. So what is the letter here? And a T. Where is the T here? Here. So now this is in the form of rectangle form. In the rectangle form, so what is the letter here? E. So E is replaced with that. Another corner of that rectangle is K. So that K is placed here. Here another letter is T. In the place of T, you can replace with the other corner of the rectangle, that is the L. So now in the place of ET, you can replace with the KL. Clear? Next one, ME. So similar way, this is the M, this is the E. So here we have to replace with that M place. In place we have to M character we have to replace with the C, E character we have to replace with the L. Clear? Next one, AT. So where is the A letter? Here. What is the T next letter? T. So this is in the form of rectangle form A, or this is the A, this is the T. So in the place of A, you have to replace it with the R, other corner of the rectangle. In the place of T, you can replace with the S. So R, S. Clear? Next, TH. In the place of TH, you have to replace the characters. This is the T, and the second next character is H. So this is the T, this is the H. So what is the other corner of this one? P. So P is in the place of T, you have to replace with the P. In the place of H, you can replace with the D. So that is the P, D. Next, similar way, E, S. So this is the E letter, and next one is the S letter. So corner in place of E, you replace with the I. In the place of S, you can replace with the L, IL. Next, CH. So this is the C, this is the H. So both letters you are getting in same row. That case, you can replace with the C character with the H, and H character you have to replace with the Y. So now see here, in the place of C, you have to replace with the H. H character you have to replace with the Y. That is CY. Oh, see, in the place of C, you can replace with the H. H is replaced with the Y. So what is the value you have to getting? H and Y. That is the H. Next one, OO. In the place of O, you have to replace with the default character X. So OX. This is the O. This is the X. So you can replace with the O. In the place of O, you can replace with that A, and X is replaced with the B. So AV. So AV you have to. Then OL. So OL. Or where is the L? Here. In the place of O, you can replace with the M. and L replace with the P. MP. HO. 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 The same. HO. Same column. In that case, what is the next character of H? What is the next character of O? H. H is the next character is F. HF. Next one, US. US. So here, XL. EX. EX. IU. Clear? So this is the way the plain text we have to convert it into ciphertext. So after converting this plain text into ciphertext, this type of technique is called Playfair cipher technique. And the major advantage of this Playfair cipher technique is, so while you have to converting plain text to ciphertext, so nearly it requires 26 letters, that is 26 into 26. 676 diagrams are possible. So to convert the data, the security will be increases. So that's the way you can provide the security for that, while you have to communicate the data from sender to receiver. So this is the substitution technique you have to use. So another substitution technique you have to use. So up to now what you have to discuss, that is the Caesar cipher and Playfair cipher. Next one, polyalphabetic cipher. Polyalphabetic cipher means you can use the Visionary cipher. Visionary cipher means, so here, see here, so already this material we have posted in a WhatsApp group. Please check it out. So here, so now I want to consider this Visionary cipher. See here, in the Visionary cipher, you have the plain text like this. First, arrange it into this all 26 letters in the form of like this. So this is the plain text we have to consider here, and this is we have to take as a key. So in the plain text, first, whenever you want to convert into the plain text into ciphertext, you are using along with the key. So now, so this is the original plain text. So here, this is the original plain text. We are discovered, save yourself. This is the original plain text. So this is the plain text you want to convert into the ciphertext. How we can convert? So what is the key now here? I want to take it as a key as a deceptive. So deceptive is the keyword. So how many letters are there in the plain text? So you have the 27 letters are there in plain text. So 26 letters are deceptive, deceptive, deceptive. 3 deceptives I have to written here. That is the key. So after writing the key, so now you have to compare. So what is the plain? What is the in plain text? What is the first letter? W. What is the letter of the key? D. So now we have to consider plain text is W. This is the plain W, plain text. and the key is D. So you have to check it out. What is the letter here? Z. So Z is placed here. So Z is placed here. So Z is placed here. Next one. What is the first letter of this plain text? E. And the next one. What is the letter of key is E. So here E E. So this is the E and this is the E. So check it out. E E. So what is the letter here? I. So while you have to designing this visionary cipher technique, this visionary cipher technique mainly first letters we have to write A B C D up to Z, and next one skip the A B C D Z A. Like this way we have to design this as 26 by 26 matrix. So you can write like this. So in the place of E, so I. Clear? So like this way we have to compare each letter. So finally you get the cipher text. This is simply this type of this is the one letters we have to replace with the other letters, other characters, characters or letters. So that type of technique is transposition technique. This is the scissor cipher technique or Playfair cipher technique or visionary cipher technique. And these are all techniques mainly we have to replacing the characters with the other characters. So next one is this is a visionary cipher technique. Next one is one-time pad cipher. So in a one-time pad cipher technique, uh, in one-time pad cipher technique. So first, this is the unbreakable crypto system. So first, what are the characters we have? That all characters must be converted into ASCII form, either zeros or ones. So after converting that letters into the ASCII form, so you are getting the values either zeros or ones only. So after that, what is the key you are using? Binary digit key I want to use here. This is the key. So whenever you can get the cipher text for this using this method, using this technique, so every binary value compared with the other plain text or with the key, with the XOR operation you have to perform. So what is the XOR operation you have to perform? Both the inputs are high or low. That what is the output value? 0. Remaining all cases the output is high. So both inputs are high or low. The output is 0. If any one of the input is high or low, that means other cases you have to take it as a high. For example, here you have to see the first letter of the key is 0. What is the first letter of the plain text is? First digit of the plain text is 0, 1. So automatically the cipher text is 1. Next one, plain text is 0 and the key is also 0. The cipher text is 0. Next one, third one, 0, 1. So the value is 1. Next one, 1, 1. So 1, 1 means 0. Next, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. Like this way you have to convert plain text to cipher text along with the key. This is the another type of cipher technique we have to use. That is a substitution technique we have to use in cryptography. So up to now, in today class, we have to completed the substitution techniques. In next class, we will continue the transposition techniques. So substitution techniques means, so you have to replacing with the one characters with the other characters. Either you can use in a Caesar cipher or play cipher or visionary cipher or one-time pad cipher. So these are the techniques you have to use in substitution techniques. In next class, we'll continue the transposition techniques. The transposition techniques means altering the plain text. ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లియర్గా చెప్పాలంటే సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ టెక్నిక్స్ లో you have to replace with the other characters. But whereas in transposition techniques lo altering the same plain text, that is a transposition technique. We will continue Ryle-Fen's technique. These all techniques we have to discuss in next class. Okay. How you could not understand anything, please ask me on chat box. Okay, thank you.